Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video I'm going to review this Softspun microfiber towel that I bought from Amazon. So in this package there is a cool bag and 5 microfiber towels. I will show it to you. This is one and these all are four. So this is actually a 340 GSM microfiber towel. I will show it to you. Here you can see that Softspun microfiber towels, pieces 5, size 440 centimeters, 340 GSM. The actual price of this package is 755 in exclusive all taxes, but I bought it from Amazon about 355, so it is cheap. It is really a very good product for. So here you can see that it can be used in lots of ways. The first one is for your shoes, for your car alloy, for your kitchen, for your pets, for your vehicle, for your household purpose. So there are many uses. You can use it by several ways. So it is approximately good for 500 or 400 washes, and it is lint free and bacteria free and non-abrasive. So now I am measuring this towel. According to its description, it's about 40 by 40 centimeters. So now I am measuring this. Yeah, you can see that it is 40 by 40 centimeter its length, and its width is about yeah, it is approximately 40 centimeter. You can see that it is approximately, there is about half centimeter difference, its actual description, but it is very good quality product, and I am highly recommend for professional mechanics and body shop workers, and you can easily use it in your household purpose. Then I am highly recommend this. So now I am trying to test it, so you can see the actual result. So my first test is water test. So let me drop some water on this table. So here you can see that I am dropping some water here, and now I am trying to absorb this microfiber towel. Now that is a result, that microfiber towel, all the water from this table very easily. So this is the result of this soft spun microfiber towel. So my second test is on how easily it can absorb this dirt on my old computer stand. Now I am cleaning this from the dry side of this microfiber towel. This is the wet side and this is dry side. So now I am cleaning this. Here you can see that how easily it clean the objects. It's like mirror shine. Now I am apply a polishing compound on that, and then we see the result what it can do. So this is my 3M polish. Now I am applying on this. By this piece of foam. So let me dry it for about 5 minutes and then we wipe it out by microfiber towel. So let's wait. And this is my Taparia tool set that I bought from Amazon also. This is made up of steel, sheet metal, and now I'm also applying polish on that. So let's see the results of this microfiber towel. Let it dry first. Okay, so now it is dry. Now the polish is dry on the tool cover. So now I am wipe it out from microfiber towel. So here you can see that the polish is dry from that table stand. Now I am wipe it out. It can absorb all the polish that I apply on that. Here you can see that it can easily wipe it out. I am not apply any effort on that. You can see that. And I am also applied from my Hot Wheels. Here you can see. Now I am wipe it out. Here is the result. You can see that this is just because of that microfiber towel. So I am highly recommend this. It is best quality microfiber towel available on Amazon. There are some other options that you can see on Amazon, that is 3M microfiber towel or another brands, but it is in this price. That microfiber towel is way better than 3M or another company that offers this microfiber towel. So stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel, and please do like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.